The Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport MRTT 2025 model represents the latest evolution of Airbus' highly successful aerial refueling and transport platform. Building on the proven airframe of the A330-200 commercial airliner, the 2025 variant integrates cutting-edge avionics, fuel transfer systems, and self-protection technologies, solidifying its reputation as one of the most versatile and capable tanker transport aircraft in the world. Design and airframe. The A330 MRTT 2025 retains the robust, wide-body design of the A330-200, offering high payload capacity, long-range performance, and substantial internal volume. The aircraft features a reinforced fuselage and wing structure optimized for its dual-role strategic airlift and air-to-air refueling. Airbus has introduced lightweight composite materials in key structural components, improving overall efficiency and reducing maintenance demands. The cockpit is outfitted with an advanced avionics suite based on Airbus' latest fly-by-wire technology, complete with large-format displays, improved situational awareness systems, and enhanced autopilot modes tailored for complex refueling missions. Refueling systems. One of the standout features of the 2025 MRTT is its next-generation ARBS advanced refueling boom system. The new boom integrates automatic load alleviation, fly-by-wire controls with greater precision, and a high-definition 3D vision system for operators. The updated boom allows for faster, safer fuel transfer rates, compatible with both NATO standard and non-standard receiver aircraft. The underwing hose and drogue pods and center-line fuselage hose system have been refined for greater reliability, with smart sensors and automated calibration features that reduce operator workload and enhance mission success rates. Payload and transport flexibility. In its transport role, the A330 MRTT 2025 offers unparalleled flexibility. The aircraft can carry up to 111 tons of fuel internally without needing additional tanks, leaving the cargo hold free for personnel, military equipment, or medical evacuation configurations. It can transport up to 300 troops or accommodate up to 45 tons of cargo, including oversized loads via standard cargo pallets. The 2025 model introduces a modular cabin design, enabling rapid reconfiguration between tanker, passenger, cargo, or medevac setups, ideal for modern multi-theater operations. Range and performance. Powered by the latest iteration of Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines with enhanced fuel efficiency and lower emissions, the A330 MRTT 2025 boasts impressive range and endurance. It can conduct missions exceeding 14,000 kilometers without refueling, or remain airborne for extended loiter times during refueling operations. With a maximum fuel offload of over 50 tons at 1,800 kilometers from base, it is well suited for both strategic and tactical refueling missions. Defensive and mission systems. The 2025 MRTT includes upgraded defensive aids, such as a fully integrated directed infrared countermeasure DIRCM system, missile approach warning sensors, and radar warning receivers. These enhancements provide robust protection in contested environments. The aircraft also supports network-centric operations, with secure data links and battlefield connectivity options that allow it to act as a communications relay hub. Conclusion. The Airbus A330 MRTT 2025 is a benchmark in modern multi-role tanker transport design. With its blend of operational flexibility, advanced refueling technology, high payload capacity, and survivability features, it offers air forces a future-proof solution for both peacetime and combat support missions. This aircraft remains a strategic asset, delivering unmatched global reach and versatility.